how to add your Google Analytics ID on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to patreon.com. This is the home page. Now go to your creator account from here and wait a few seconds. It will take you directly to this page. Now click on edit your page and wait a few seconds again, and here you go. Click on page settings in the top right here, scroll down until you find this Google Analytics ID. Now from here you will be able to add your ID and go to the top again and click save changes. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.